All right, everyone, gather around. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash or an adult seeking a part-time gig to balance with your main job, I've got some exciting options for you. Let's dive into a world where your skills, interests, and spare time can be transformed into real income. Ready? Let's go. 1. Freelancing, the wild west of opportunity. Imagine this. You're sitting in your favorite coffee shop, laptop open, working on a project that not only pays well, but also lets you express your creativity. That's freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are like bustling marketplaces where clients are looking for skills just like yours, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or something else entirely. The best part? You set your own hours, work from wherever you want, and choose projects that excite you. The only catch: it might take some time to build a steady stream of income, but hey, every cowboy starts somewhere. 2. Tutoring. Share your knowledge, boost your wallet. Now, who here has a subject they're pretty good at? Maybe you're a math whiz, a science geek, or you speak another language fluently. Why not turn that knowledge into cash? You can tutor online through platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, or even locally in your community. Picture this. You're helping someone understand a tricky topic, their eyes light up with understanding, and you get paid for it. It's a win-win. Plus, tutoring can be done from the comfort of your home, making it a great option if you're balancing other responsibilities. 3. Content creation. Be the star of your own show. Ever dreamt of having your own YouTube channel, blog, or podcast? Well, here's your chance to shine. If you've got a passion or a hobby, be it cooking, gaming, tech reviews, or even just talking about life, you can create content and share it with the world. Over time, as you build an audience, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's like planting a seed. With some care and consistency, it can grow into something amazing. Sure, it might take a bit of time before the money starts rolling in, but who knows? You might be the next big thing. 4. Online surveys and market research. Earn from your couch. Now, this one's for those moments when you're chilling on the couch, maybe watching Netflix, and you think, hey, I could be earning right now. Sign up for sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and start completing surveys. Companies want your opinions, and they're willing to pay for them. It's not going to make you rich, but it's super easy and can add up over time. Plus, you can do it whenever you have a few minutes to spare. 5. Part-time jobs, steady income, social vibes. If you prefer something more traditional, there's always the good old part-time job. Whether it's working in retail, a cafe, or a restaurant, these jobs offer steady pay and often come with flexible hours, especially for students. Plus, you get the added bonus of meeting new people and maybe even picking up some new skills along the way. Just imagine, you're at work, making money, learning how to handle customers, and making friends, all at once. 6. Delivery services, your time, your terms. For those who like being on the move, delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex can be a great fit. You get to set your own hours, and all you need is a reliable vehicle and some knowledge of your local area. Picture this. You're driving around listening to your favorite tunes, delivering food or packages, and getting paid for it. It's that simple. And the best part? You can work as much or as little as you like. 7. Gig economy jobs, short-term, big impact. The gig economy is like a buffet of jobs. You pick what you want. Apps like TaskRabbit or Gigwalk offer short-term tasks ranging from assembling furniture to running errands. It's perfect for those who like variety and flexibility. Imagine waking up and thinking, I feel like building something today, and then getting paid to do just that. It's all about finding what you enjoy and making it work for you. 8. Selling crafts or products. Turn your hobby into income. Are you crafty? Do you make jewelry, art, or even cool digital products? Sites like Etsy are perfect for turning those hobbies into cash. Picture your creations being shipped to someone on the other side of the world, bringing them joy and earning you money at the same time. Or maybe you've got some items lying around that you no longer need. Why not sell them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace? It's a great way to declutter and make money simultaneously. 9. Remote customer service. Help from home. If you're good at communication and enjoy helping others, remote customer service might be your thing. Companies like Amazon or Apple hire customer service reps to work from home, assisting customers via phone, chat, or email. Imagine sitting at your home desk, sipping coffee, and helping someone solve a problem, all while earning a steady paycheck. It's a great way to earn without leaving your house. 10. Pet sitting or babysitting. Fun and profitable. Love animals or kids? Why not turn that love into a part-time job? Sites like Rover for pet sitting or Care.com for babysitting can connect you with families in need. Picture this. You're spending time with a playful pup or a curious kid, and you're getting paid for it. It's not only fun, but also a great way to earn extra income, especially if you're looking for something that doesn't feel like work. 11. Affiliate marketing. Make money while you sleep. Now, this is the dream for many. Earning money while you sleep. With affiliate marketing, you promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's like being a brand ambassador from the comfort of your home. Imagine this. You write a blog post about your favorite tech gadget, someone clicks your link to buy it, and you earn a percentage of that sale. The more you grow your online presence, the more potential there is for passive income. 12. Online teaching. Share what you know. Earn what you deserve. If you have expertise in a subject, why not share it with the world? Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to teach anything from languages to photography to coding. Imagine creating a course once and having people from all over the world learning from you and paying for it. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn at the same time. 13. Social media management. Be the voice behind the brand. Finally, if you're savvy with social media, there's a huge demand for social media managers. Businesses, especially small ones, often need help managing their online presence. Imagine being the creative force behind a brand's Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, crafting posts, engaging with followers, and driving traffic, all while earning a nice income. It's perfect for those who love being online and staying on top of the latest trends. So, what do you think? With all these options, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money on the side or seeking a part-time job that could grow into something more, the opportunities are endless. Tell if this video was helpful or not in the comment section, and if you would like to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.